Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English speaking podcast.
Hi, everybody. We hope you are having a wonderful day.
My name is Michael, and I'm from New York, USA.
And my name is Emma, and I'm from California, USA.
Today, we have a very interesting and important topic.
Yes, today we are talking about the importance of learning English.
English is one of the most useful languages in the modern world.
Millions of people around the world study English every single day.
Some people learn English for school.
Some learn it for work.
Others learn English for travel, business, technology, or communication.
And many people learn English to connect with the world.
That's absolutely true.
Michael, why do you think English became so popular?
I think one reason is that English is used internationally.
Yes, people from different countries often communicate in English.
For example, if someone from China meets someone from Turkey, they may speak English together.
Exactly. English helps people communicate globally.
And communication is very important today.
Especially because the world is more connected than ever before.
Through the internet, social media, and technology.
Right?
Emma, do you think English helps students?
Definitely.
How?
Well, many universities use English as the main language of education.
That's true.
Also, many scientific books and research articles are written in English.
So students who know English can access more information.
Exactly.
And they can study abroad more easily.
Yes, English opens educational opportunities.
I completely agree.
Another important thing is employment.
Absolutely.
Many companies today want workers who can speak English.
Especially international companies.
If two people have the same skills, but one speaks English, the company may choose that person.
Because English is useful in business communication.
Emails, meetings, presentations, and online work often happen in English.
So English can help people earn better salaries and get better jobs.
Exactly.
Let's talk about travel now.
Good idea.
Imagine you are visiting another country.
Maybe you need to ask for directions.
Or order food at a restaurant.
Or check in at a hotel.
English can help in all these situations.
Yes. English is very common in airports, hotels, and tourist places.
That's why travelers often learn basic English before traveling.
It makes life easier and less stressful.
Definitely.
Michael, do you think English also helps people online?
Of course,
Tell us more.
most online content is in English.
That's true.
Websites, apps, tutorials, and videos often use English.
Even many computer programs are designed in English.
Exactly.
So if you know English, you can learn more online.
You can also understand international news and global events better.
That's an important point.
English also helps people enjoy entertainment.
Movies, songs, podcasts, and TV shows.
Many famous movies are in English.
And many people enjoy listening to English music.
Understanding the language makes entertainment more enjoyable.
I agree.
Emma, do you remember your first experience learning another language?
Yes, primero though.
Tell us about it.
I started learning Spanish when I was a teenager.
Was it easy?
Not really,
Why not?
because I was shy and afraid of making mistakes.
That's very common among language learners.
Yes, many students feel nervous when speaking.
But mistakes are a normal part of learning.
Exactly.
Nobody becomes fluent in one day.
Language learning takes time and patience.
And regular practice.
Absolutely.
What helped you improve your Spanish?
Listening and speaking every day.
Did you practice with friends?
Sometimes, but I also practiced alone.
Really?
Yes, I talk to myself in Spanish.
That's actually a great method.
It helps build confidence.
And confidence is very important when learning English.
Definitely.
Many people understand English grammar, but they are afraid to speak.
Because they worry too much about mistakes.
But communication is more important than perfection.
Excellent sentence.
Thank you.
Let's give some advice to English learners.
Great idea.
My first advice is practice every single day.
Even 15 minutes can help a lot.
Exactly.
My advice is listen to English every day.
Podcasts are very useful for listening practice.
Yes, listening improves pronunciation and vocabulary,
Watching English movies is also helpful.
especially with subtitles.
Reading simple books is another good method.
And don't forget speaking practice.
Speaking is the key to fluency.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Exactly.
Let's teach some useful sentences now.
Great.
English is important for my future. I want to improve my speaking skills. I practice English every day. Learning English takes time. I enjoy learning English.
English helps me communicate with people. I want to speak English confidently. Mistakes help me improve. Practice makes progress. I will never give up.
Excellent.
Now repeat after us.
English can change my life.
I want to speak English fluently.
I practice every day.
I am improving step by step.
I believe in myself.
I will keep learning.
Amazing job, everyone.
Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Emma, what do you think is the biggest problem for English learners?
I think fear is the biggest problem.
Fear of making mistakes?
Exactly. Well,
I agree.
many people are intelligent, but they are too shy to speak.
Confidence comes with practice.
Yes, nobody speaks perfectly at the beginning.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
That's true.
Another challenge is consistency.
Right, some students study for 2 days and then stop.
But language learning needs regular practice.
Little by little, every day.
Exactly.
Michael, what is your favorite way to practice English?
I enjoy speaking with other people
Why?
because real conversations improve fluency faster.
That makes sense.
I also like shadowing.
What is shadowing?
Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating immediately.
That's a powerful technique.
It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.
Excellent advice.
Thank you.
Let's continue with another discussion.
Sure.
Some people think learning English is very difficult.
What do you think?
I think English can be difficult sometimes, but it is possible for everyone.
I agree.
The secret is patience and practice.
Exactly.
People should not compare themselves with others.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Some people improve quickly,
Others need more time.
and that is completely okay.
Absolutely.
The important thing is to continue learning.
Never stop practicing.
Michael, do you think children learn languages faster?
Usually, yes, but adults can learn very well too.
That's encouraging.
Adults often have stronger motivation.
And motivation is very important.
Yes, if you have a strong reason, you will continue learning.
Some people learn English for their dreams.
Some want to study abroad,
Others want better careers.
and some people simply enjoy learning languages.
All reasons are valuable.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's motivate our listeners.
Great idea.
Dear listeners, remember this.
Your English does not need to be perfect.
You only need courage to start speaking.
Practice a little every day.
Listen carefully.
Speak confidently,
Learn from your mistakes.
and never give up.
One day, you will speak English naturally and confidently.
We believe in you.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode.
We hope this podcast helped and motivated you.
Don't forget to practice your English after this episode.
And share this podcast with your friends and family.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.